Hello, my name is Ishan. I'm studying grade 4 and I'm studying robotics in Ashtrix School of Robotics, Arumbakkam. And my project category is Open Innovation category. My project name is Obstacle Avoidance. I made this program to make people avoid accidents. The components I used are motor driver, DC motor, battery case, batteries, jumper wires, power module, IR sensor, project pad, buggy wheels. Let me show a demo. Yeah, when an obstacle is not there, it runs. When an obstacle is there, it stops. So on. When the obstacle is not there, it runs. When the obstacle is there, it stops. Thank you.